I am Lucy Wedemeyer, longtime real estate broker with Christie's International Real Estate Serena Group. Founding member, started in the 70s, not going to tell you how long, but I love Tour Factory ever since they started. Because back in the day, in the 70s, when I started, we had nothing. We had no video, it was photographs, our books were black and white, it was really tough. So it's marvelous what they accomplished. I'm just so thrilled with not only the fabulous video, but the photography, the angles that they get, the lighting. It's so important to be able to portray the properties in the best light, the best way possible, and I'm impressed with the angles that they get and the finishing product. Plus, that's the key in our industry. So I just, like I said, I love Tour Factory. Working with Daniel Mirer has been an absolute dream to see how he captures absolute visions of the properties and the lighting in the different rooms, and pulls back for a bigger showcase of what needs to be done for each property. He really illuminates the best aspects of every house, and I'm always impressed with what he puts out.